Next question is 2 gram of benzoic acid is dissolved in 25 gram of benzene. A depression in freezing point equals to 1.62. Molar depression constant for benzene is 4.9 Kelvin kilogram mole inverse. What is the percentage association of acid if it form double molecules? Double molecules means dimer in the solution. So in the question we are given with WA, that is 25 gram, WB, which is 2 gram. Okay, we have also given with KF, that is 4.9. Delta TF is also given, that is 1.62. What else is remaining? Only molar mass of benzoic acid. So let's just find the molar mass of benzoic acid. So the equation is MB is equals to KF into WB into 1000 upon delta TF into WA. Okay, so put the values. KF, how much it is? 4.9. Okay, Kelvin kilogram mole inverse. WB is 2 gram. Delta TF, which is given, that is what? 1.62, and WA is 25. Solve it. When we solved, we found the MB is 2.41.98 gram per mole. Okay. So this is the molar mass of what? Benzoic acid. The molar mass of benzoic acid, molar mass of benzoic acid, this is what? Observed molar mass. We have calculated, no? So it is observed molar mass 2.41.98 gram per mole. Okay. Now what is the actual molar mass? So normal molar mass of benzoic acid you can calculate, which is 122 gram per mole. Okay. Now in the question it is given this gets associate into dimer. So let's just do it. Degree of association. So benzoic acid associate as C6H5COOH, 2 molecules because dimer, it forms dimer, C6H5COOH twice. Okay. Now let's just apply the concept of degree of association. Alpha is the degree of association. Initially, okay, what is the moles of benzoic acid? That we have taken 1 and dimer is 0 initially. After association, so after association, if alpha is degree of association, then left molecule which are not associated, which is 1 minus alpha, and this one will be alpha by 2. Why alpha by 2? Because dimer is formed. Okay. Now total moles is equals to what? Total moles after association, which will be equals to 1 minus alpha plus alpha by 2, that I have given in video. Okay. So if dimer is formed, that simply value is 1 minus alpha by 2. Okay. Now what is want of factor here? I is equals to normal molar mass upon observed molar mass. So what is normal molar mass of benzoic acid? Normal molar mass that is 122, and observed molar mass, how much we have calculated? 241.98, and that will be equals to 0.504. Okay. Now I is equals to what, beta? I is equals to what here? 1 minus alpha by 2 upon 1. What is formula of I? That's observed colligative property upon normal colligative property. So this is here. Now this one is equals to what? 0.504, which is we have already calculated. Okay. So now I is equals to 1 minus alpha by 2 upon 2 is equals to 0.504. Now here we can solve it. Minus alpha by 2 is equals to 0.504 minus 1. Subtract it. You will get minus alpha by 2 is equals to minus 0.496. Minus minus will be cancelled, and alpha is equals to 0.496 into 2, which is equals to 0.992. Okay, alpha is equals to what? 0.992 degree of association, but we have asked percentage. So percentage of degree of association is equals to 0.992 into 100, that is equals to 99.2%. Clear? So this is the answer.